If you have that little bit of extra skin hanging over your eyelid, causing you to have kind of that downturned or hooded eye look, this super fast and easy hooded eye makeup hack is going to make your eyes go from this to this in seconds. Now, I didn't come up with this hack on my own because I am not a makeup artist at all, but I learned about this game-changing hooded eye makeup hack many years ago from a makeup artist. And no, we are not drinking martinis today, but this martini glass is going to help us create the perfect eyeshadow look every single time. Now, for this eyeshadow look, use whatever your favorite eyeshadow is, whether it be a powder, a liquid. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use this pencil from Maybelline to make it nice and dark so that you can actually see the shape that I'm doing. Now, this is not my favorite eyeshadow. I will link my favorite cream and favorite powder eyeshadows down below this video. This is really just to help you to better see the shape that I'm drawing. Now, if you can draw this super easy triangular shape of this martini glass, you can easily do this eyeshadow look. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna look straight ahead in a mirror. We're not gonna go like this. We're not gonna go like this. None of that. We're just gonna look straight into the mirror. So let's draw the shape of this martini glass on our eye. So in just a couple seconds, we drew the top of our martini glass. And notice how I didn't go into my crease. I actually, when I looked straight ahead, I just went right above my crease. That's why you want to look straight into the mirror, because if I were to go like this and then draw it into my crease, by the time I open my eye, you would not even be able to see the eyeshadow. So always keep your eyes open, looking straight into your mirror. All right, and now let's just draw the side of the martini glass. And you don't even have to make this look really nice, because with whatever eyeshadow you use, you're just gonna take a clean fluffy brush afterwards and blend it out. But the key is to start out with this super easy triangular martini glass shape. And let's just connect it down right kind of below just the outer corner of our lower lash line. Now, technically I know this is not the full shape of a martini glass, but what I should have said is you're gonna draw half of the martini glass. And then you would normally just take your clean fluffy blending brush and just blend, 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 keeping the general kind of look of this shape. But since I use this pencil, it dries really quickly, so I'm not gonna be able to really blend this because it dries too fast, but I really just wanted to use this to show you the shape. I'll just leave this crazy shape here, but on this eye, I'm gonna show you how I quickly do kind of like a natural, everyday, hooded eye makeup look with one of my favorite cream eyeshadows. I'm going to use these two cream eyeshadows from the brand Gen C. These are supposed to be clean beauty if you're into that. So let's draw the shape of a martini glass on this eye. Now let's blend. It's okay if it looks a little messy around the edges, because I'll show you how we can easily clean that up and give ourselves a really beautiful eye lift in the end. I'm just gonna add just a smidge more right here, just so that it can help disguise that extra saggy skin. I always like to add a little touch of this shade called Linen right on the eyelid. And for this step, I just use my fingers. And I'll even just put a dot right here by my lash line and use this as my eyeliner. And just kind of blend that around just to kind of deepen this up. But you don't have to do this step. Honestly, usually I don't. And again, don't worry if you got it a little messy over here. We're gonna fix that here in a minute. Now I'm just gonna apply my favorite mascara. I'll link this down below, but this is by the brand 𝑫𝑰𝑵𝑗. This is actually a lash growth serum and a mascara all in one. And I like to kind of fan the edges out just to give it a lot more lift. And now, since this mascara makes my lashes grow really, really long, I like to just take a clean, this is just an end of a makeup brush or Q-tip, whatever, and just kind of wipe off the bottom of the lashes and lift them some, so that since they're so long, they don't start touching my skin and give me little dots under my eye. All right, you may have noticed I don't have any concealer under my eyes yet, so I've done the rest of my makeup already. I just leave my concealer step till after my eyes are completely done. And I have this little concoction that I like to do, especially on my 52-year-old under eye skin. I take this little Neutrogena primer and I will just kind of apply this first, and then wait, I don't know, like maybe a minute until it just slightly gets a little tacky, and then I will go in with my concealer. Sometimes I don't like to put the concealer directly under my eyes because I don't want to wear a ton of concealer at my age. So I'll just put a little of the concealer on the back of my hand, and then I'll take this fluffy concealer blending brush, and then I will go in underneath my eye area. This way it's not going to get all creasy and cracky throughout the day. And when this meshes with this Neutrogena primer serum underneath, it also keeps it nice and hydrated. And now add that lift back to get that shape of the martini glass, and then just blend that out. Oh my gosh, this eye looks crazy next to this one. So if you can draw this shape of the martini glass on your eye, you can get this blended natural look, still having that same shape, and gives you that nice lift, and this way it helps kind of disguise your hooded eyes. And again, you could really deepen this up even with a shade this dark to get a really glamorous nighttime look. If you wanted to see how I do all of my makeup and what all makeup products are my absolute favorites right now, I'm gonna pop that other video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.